Sometimes, girl. Yeah, I'm glad I didn't try to swing that one. Yeah, big Shirley time. There we go. We in the show. Mm, yes, sir. Woo, I know better. I know better. I know better. I know better. Trust me. I know better. Yeah. Look him. Y'all see that? See that right there? That was I was gonna lose that fish if I would have swung him. No swingers today. All netters. What that is? Big Shirley time. Number 5. Man, I know I didn't spook him. I'm gonna throw out there anyway. Anthony. Set the hook. You see me dip the rod? I dipped the rod on that one. I dipped it again. I dipped a lot. If you know you're doing it, stop doing it, boy. All right, let's try this again. Um, like I said, I'm gonna give it one more time. A little bit bigger. All right. I guess it was just me. Guacamole on. Holy moly, guacamole. Just because. Put him right there. Trick to these. It's a number 8 hook, 1/64 ounce jig. You gotta bend the hook out just a tad. All right. Nope. They did not want the 1.25 flicker shad. Crappie minnow. Yeah. And chartreuse. Chartreuse. They still sitting there, minding their business. See if I can get with the crappie minnow. That guy. And let's see if I can get it on live. Why not? All right. Right on target. Uh-huh. One time too many, buddy. I'm swinging you right in the tip of the nose. Perfect hook set. He thought he had a meal. Thought he had a meal, but he didn't. Number 10. I might have to put her on the scale. Oh, broke my line. See that? That's why I didn't swing her. Y'all know what that is. The electricity. Yeah. Quality. Oh, y'all see the Gatorade bottle. Yeah. She might be scale worthy. I don't know. But look, right in the roof of her mouth. That's right. One more of these, I'm getting off the water. All right. Electricity. That's right. Couple more of these joints. And I'm out. Of course, I got to show you some of these big girls. Finished with, I think, 27. I couldn't get to 30 today. But like the shirt say, catch your limit. Your limit. There you go. There's one. There's two. There's three. There you are. There you are. There you go. Where the other one? One bigger than that. And where you at, sir? Well, it's easy. Well, anyway, it's in there. Yeah. Yeah. Tried to do a little something, something today. Got like 4 or 5 of those in there. I don't feel like digging for the rest of them. But I finished with my, I think 27, 28, somewhere around in there. But I caught a lot of dinks today. But my timing is off. When I say my hook set is trash, it is trash. Missed a lot of fish today. I could have been gone if I would have caught all the ones that I missed. But that's why they call it fishing and not catching. So I caught my limit today. That's right. So remember, you can't catch it from the couch. So get up, get out. That's right.